Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Solana Memecoins on Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, on the homepage, you are going to see all of the coins that you have in your Phantom Wallet. Now here, in order to purchase any of the other meme coins, you need to make sure that you have enough Solana in your account in order to bear the gas fees. If you do not have it, then you need to tap on Solana, and here you will be able to see the Receive option. So if you tap on Receive, you will be able to see its QR code as well as the deposit address. So you can copy this address from here. Then you can go to any other wallet or exchanges, and from there you can deposit Solana into your Phantom Wallet. You can even tap on this Buy button in the top, and after selecting Solana, you can enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase. Then you need to press Next. After that, you will be given two different options, like MoonPay and Coinbase Pay. So you just have to select any of the payment methods, and after completing your payment, they will be able to add Solana in your Phantom Wallet. Now, once you have Solana in your Phantom Wallet, now is the time to buy the meme coins. For that, you will have to tap on this swap option. And here, in the top, you will have to make sure that it is selected as Solana. Afterwards, in the Select token, you need to tap on this option, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different meme coins like dog with hat, cat, and etc. Let's say I want to buy Bond coins, so I'll simply type Bonk in this search bar, and after selecting Bonk, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase the meme coin that you have selected, which in my case is the Bonk coin. Then, it will show you how many Bonk coins will you get and the equivalent amount of Solana to the Bonk coin. Over here, you need to press this Review button in the bottom. As I don't have enough Solana in my account, that's why Insufficient Balance button is showing here. But in your case, Review Order button will show. And then on the next page, you just have to confirm your swap. So that's basically how you can buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.